In a heat engine, 300 joules of heat is taken from the hot reservoir. 100 joules of heat is dumped into the cold sink. What is the efficiency of this engine? For a problem like this, there are two things that you need to know. You need to know the formula for heat engine, which is efficiency is equal to the work over the heat that is in the hot reservoir. And then you need to know that this Q sub H is equal to the heat that is in the cold reservoir plus the work. Okay? So with this, we can rearrange this equation to solve for W, because in this problem, they don't show you or they don't tell you what the work is, so you need to solve for it. So you subtract Q sub C on both sides, you get work is equal to Q sub H minus Q sub C. We know what Q sub H is, it's 300, and we know that Q sub C is 100. So now we can do this problem. So efficiency is equal to Q sub H minus Q sub C over Q sub H. So we rewrite it as efficiency is equal to 300 minus 100 over Q sub H is 300. Okay. Now, you have efficiency is equal to 300 minus 100 is 200 over 300, which if you plug it into a calculator, 200 minus 300, you get, not minus, 200 over 300, you get 0.66. So efficiency is 0.66, which turn that into percent, you get 66%. So the efficiency of this engine is 66%.